I'm leaving everything in place because very close tolerance, so if I were to put paint on this, then it's not going to screw back together. But I'm going to put a layer of 2-in-1 filler primer, and then some of this hammered bronze, I believe I'll finish up with after the chrome. Maybe the stainless steel, I don't know. Magic of 2-in-1 filler primer. Alright, so now that that's dry, I know you can't really hear me because of the fan too good, but let me change the microphone. Here we go. We're going to go ahead and hit it with some stainless steel. Alright, we're going to be hitting this with, I think, the hammered color. Took off these bad boys. I'm not going to be spraying at the threads though. Just trying to get that used universe look. Holy moly. I can do a little bit more weathering on it, but I think I like it. We'll see what it looks like under the UV light. Oh, that's cool. So you can see that the other stuff is not UV treated, but the light sconces are. Okay, I didn't figure out what kind of lights I wanted to put in here. I actually did a little test to see how the light was going to work. This is a failed print. Well, just was working on the threads on this one. We have just an LED panel. Let's turn the lights off. I was thinking about putting some sort of reflector or something in there, but I love the way that that shadow is cast on there. That will look cool. So yeah, if I stick it in there, cast a different type of shadow, but I kind of like that you don't see the light. I think it looks better that way. It's not meant to light the room up. Let's put it on the bench and wire it up. All right, so I think we're gonna go with these lights. These are just 12-volt replacements for the car lights, you know, overhead, incandescent. They have all these different little things on them, but they not have a nice little pigtail. They're already wired. And I just use these test leads, and another easy thing are these connectors. So we just need 2 of these 3. Makes wiring a lot easier, because you just put 1 of each and then run the 12 volts from that. Okay. All right, so we got the light in there, but I think it'll pop a couple more LEDs. We did put some LED holes in there, and on this side too, potentially. We'll see what it looks like. There's some flashing LEDs that are pre-wired. They're for 12 volts, I believe, so should be perfect for this project. See what it adds to the light sconce. Strip these bad boys. This is such an easy way to strip wires. Makes life so much easier. makes it look like a security camera. I'm okay with that.